Number 9, factor. We're going to zoom in a little bit too. Now look at number 9. We're factoring 4v squared minus 81u squared. This here is a binomial. More specifically, this is the difference of perfect squares. The reason why I know the difference of perfect squares is because 4v squared is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect squared. V squared is a perfect square, hence the exponent of 2. 81 is a perfect square. U squared is a perfect square. And we have subtraction between those two terms. Therefore, I know that this is the difference of two squares. When I factor the difference of perfect squares, a squared minus b squared, that equals to multiplying conjugates. A minus b times a plus b. Or you can write it as a plus b times a minus b. Order really doesn't matter. So let's factor 4v squared minus 81u squared. And first, I want to write that in a simpler form. What number raised to the second power gives us 4? That is going to be 2. 2 squared is 4. What variable squared gives us v squared? That is going to be v. Minus, what number squared gives us 81? That is going to be 9. What variable squared gives us u squared? That is going to be u. So there's going to be 2v quantity squared minus 9u quantity squared. We can call our 2v our a, our 9u our b, and substitute it into the format for multiplying conjugates. That's going to equal to 2v minus 9u times 2v plus 9u. And that is the answer to number 9. That is how I factor 4v squared minus 81u squared. You can also write it as, if you please, 2v plus 9u times 2v minus 9u. It is up to you how you want to write it. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Smiley face. Hooray. Take care.